Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to make project number 2 in the Hearts for You January 2025 paper pumpkin kit. Now this one is the one where we layer all of these heart banners across it. So we need the card base that's got the very faint hearts on it. I've already put the adhesive on the back of these and I've already stamped the U on the banner, and this needs one dimensional on the back of it. The reason I've pre-done some of the things is just for speed in the video. I'm just going to bring my little dish in here. So this basically shows us where we're going to put these down. So I'm going to put that there, make sure I'm level, pop it down there. There we go. And we're going to continue on doing that all the way down the card. There's 6 of these that need to go on. And you just line them up with those faint hearts that are already there. There we go. And we just keep on going like that. So I've been really excited for this kit and really looking forward to using it. I'm looking forward to using the dies in the Spring is in the Air die set as well. Really looking forward to that. And then we're going to put 4th one on, nearly there, nearly there. Okay, and we're just going to layer that up like that. Oh, I'm just making a mess everywhere. Here we go. So let's put this together. And then we'll put our second last one down and just lay it across like that. And then we'll pick up our last one, and then we will start sorting out how to do the front. Okay, there we go. And then this one pops down along the bottom like that. Okay. All right, so now we need our 2 hearts, the red one and the Flirty Flamingo marble one. And I've already put adhesive dots on the back. I just need to peel the backings off. And I'm just going to use my piercing tool to do that. If you don't have a piercing tool, you can use the edge of your scissors, or if your nails work, you can use your nails. But I try not to use anything that's not actually in the kit other than a pair of scissors. But sometimes for speed, you don't want to spend the whole video watching me take backings off of things. So there we go. I'm just going to pop that down like that. And then dimensionals go on the back of this. So I'm going to put one here, there, and there. Okay. And then we just pop this down. Lots of dimensionals for this card. Okay, and this pops down right in the middle. Like that. Okay. And then we dimensionalize the U onto the heart like that. Okay. And then we use the word love out of our champagne stickers here. And I'm just going to come in from the other side as well so that I don't tear this. There we go. And this goes across the heart like that. There we go. So we've got love you. And then we use one of our adhesive dots. I'm going to see if I can peel the backing off of this without taking the glue dot off, and we can't. Okay, so I've got a glue dot, and I'm just going to tuck it onto the bow here. I've already tied the bow, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop that right in there like that. And then when I peel the backing off, I'm just going to roll this in onto itself like that. And then this sticks down right there like that. And there's no bling on this one. There's lots of detail though, that lovely, lovely detail. So that is project number 2 from the Hearts for You January 2025 kit. So stay tuned for project number 3.